Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Resellers.shop, a site claiming to sell moissanite jewelry set in 925 sterling silver with diamond level, sparkle, and GRA certified stones. They're pitching themselves to resellers with low prices, promising you a hefty markup. It sounds like a dream for anyone wanting to be the next jewelry mogul, but before you start picking out your private island, let's see if this site is actually legit. First up, the domain. According to the records, this site was registered in May 2024 or 2025, if they've actually mastered time travel. Either way, it's less than a year old. While being new isn't a crime, it does mean they have zero track record. Personally, I prefer my jewelry stores to have existed longer than a carton of milk in the back of my fridge, but maybe that's just me. Now let's talk about those stunning product photos. A quick reverse image search reveals they're about as original as a Hollywood remake. The images are straight up copied from other websites. If a company can't even bother to take a photo of their own inventory, you're probably more likely to receive a plastic ring from a vending machine than a certified gemstone. The red flags keep waving when we look for the people behind the curtain. There's no About Us page, no names, and no photos of the founders. It's like they're playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek where you're the only one looking and your money is the prize. This level of transparency is usually reserved for secret societies, not reputable online retailers. Customer support is equally non-existent. There's no email, no phone number, and no live chat. If your order goes missing or arrives looking like a DIY craft project, your only option for help is essentially screaming into the void. This is a massive concern for anyone who actually likes receiving the items they pay for. Finally, let's look at the reviews. The website features exactly 2 reviews that are so polished and perfect they practically glow with marketing department sweat. Meanwhile, platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit are a total ghost town. To wrap it up, with a brand new domain, stolen photos, zero contact info, and no real user feedback, Resellers.shop is checking every box on the how to look suspicious list. Exercise extreme caution. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed not getting scammed today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.